February 17th, year 2018, the Holy Spirit speaks to Wendy and Jillian. My dear earth angels, for I tell you the greatest gift in all the world is to love one another as I have loved you. There is nothing that can or will ever surpass unending love. Love binds my children together, and yes, it is hate that divides. Love is the heartbeat of the divine, whereas hate lies at the very core of Satan and all who worship him. My children promote peace and harmony. The enemy creates division and unrest throughout the universe. Those who adhere to my Father's teachings seek his will, trusting in his infinite wisdom. I am not speaking of religious doctrine, rather those truths which have been cast in stone since the beginning of time. Yes, the 10 Commandments which were given unto Moses. Satan, who has been given dominion on earth, is bent on destroying my precious souls. He and his demons now roam the earth, hell-bent on devouring my children. As seen by the myriad of tactics and atrocities which are rapidly occurring throughout the world, those who open their eyes will indeed see the truth. They will acknowledge who and what the enemy is. One cannot fight an enemy they do not acknowledge. As in any battle, how can one defend themselves against an enemy they do not know? In order to understand the ways and means of the enemy, one must first believe in their existence. Satan is the greatest threat known to mankind. He is the mighty deceiver seeking to devour my precious souls. He and his host of demons roam the earth, intent on turning my beloved away from me. There are now far too many unsuspecting souls upon whom the demons are seeking to take control. If you doubt this to be the case, simply look at the recent shooting in Florida. 17 of my precious children were killed, despite multiple warnings in advance. Satan used tools of distraction to ensure this slaughter of the innocent would be successful. When the shooter was questioned as to his motive for initiating such a heinous and hateful act, he admitted he heard demonic voices. How many times do my people need to hear these words before they acknowledge what and who they are fighting? Do you not see, my children, and who and what lies at the heart of the matter? Why are my children so very afraid to speak the truth? For I tell you, those who acknowledge me before my Father will enter into his kingdom, yet those who deny these truths will surely keep themselves from me. You, my earth angels, are my arms and legs in these precarious times. I need my children to speak the truth. Do not falter. Do not hesitate to acknowledge before others that which you know to be true. You must be ready for what is to come. You must strengthen your own resolve. Be resolute in all you do, for there are dark days ahead, and you must be ready to face the enemy. Do all in your power to share that which you know to be true. I will show you when and how to respond as our Father would have you respond. Go now and meditate on these words, as soon you will have much work to do. Thank you for responding to my call.
Thank you for listening to our video message number 124 from the Holy Spirit. These messages have been written specifically for these times to teach, inform, inspire, and nurture your soul. For more information on ABBA and Company, our original Earth Angels book, as well as listen to our little book series, go to our website at www.earthangelsbook.com. Please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends, your family, or another in need. May God bless, protect, and guide you and your loved ones in these times.